Alright everybody, this is going to be our daily agenda for Wednesday, May 12th. So for today, folks, we are continuing on with Typing Club as our do now for today. You guys are doing excellent on that. And then we are moving again into our letters of gratitude. We're really looking at that kind of SEL learning that we talked about last week and you guys have been learning out throughout the semester. Once again, what is gratitude? Gratitude is that quality of just being thankful, appreciating those people and the kindness that they give to you. We want to make sure that we're returning that back to other people. So you guys are going to be continuing on with those letters of gratitude. If you haven't finished, that's fine. You're going to take today to finish up any of your letters of gratitude or any missing work that you have today, ladies and gentlemen. Using the directions in the model, which I showed you guys in the last video, you guys are going to write those letters of gratitude. On our Google Classroom has all the directions as well. You're going to have a template slide to be creative and thoughtful about who you appreciate the most. And I showed you in the last video how to create a PNG so you can actually give it to the person that you would like to. If you have finished early and completed any missing work, just let me know and we will have fun activity for you guys. For our exit ticket for today, how do you guys show gratitude? How do you guys give out that gratitude to your families or to members around you, people around you? All right, then, everybody, as always, if you have any questions, please let me know. Let Ms. Arroyo know. We'll help you guys out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.